Hello, we're here with Ryan and Luke who are going to make slime from the Ask Magazine recipe. All right guys, what you got going?
So first you add 1/4 of a cup of glue. And make sure
you get most of it in.
Make sure you kind of surround the whole bottom with glue.
And what's next after that?
Now we add 1 tablespoon of borax, or you can use baking soda. Can you get me a new one of these? I'm gonna go get a new one of those real quick. Until you feel like it's right.
Mix until you feel like it's right. What's the consistency you want?
Pretty sticky, but not yet done with the slime.
So it's pretty
kind of like this.
Bold, kind of wet and stiff, but still stretches
out.
Not
really sticky, but a little bit.
Okay, so next you add your food coloring.
2 or 3 drops.
You don't want your slime to just be plain old white.
You can make it though. And if you make it with clear slime, it's also good. It's also probably be cool. Once you're done mixing, get some contact solution. You done mixing?
Now add 1 to 2 squirts.
Or 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
And then
once you feel like it's mixed, then
or sticky, then you take it out with your hands and start
kneading it.
Why do you need it?
So it gets more sticky. Your hands might get messy like this.
And the more you work it, what happens? Gets smoother?
More changes to more stretchy and stuff. Just play with it, maybe stretch it out some.
And then once it's done, do you need to keep it in a container so it doesn't get dried out?
Yes.
Oh, my slimes, I got dried out.
How long do you usually work your slime until it's ready?
Maybe 5 minutes.
And then you're all good for slime, right guys?
Yep.
Let me see them. Green and blue slime from Ryan and Luke. Thanks, guys.
Bye.